Want to keep your iPhone 15 running smoothly and save precious battery life? Today, we're diving into how to close apps on your iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, a skill that can seriously impact your phone's performance. The easiest way to close an app is to swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen. Simply swipe up from the very bottom of the screen, past the home indicator. Your app will close, and you'll return to your home screen. This method works in most applications instantly, but it doesn't actually close the application. It puts it in the background. To fully close an application and to ensure it isn't running in the background, you want to use the app switcher. To access this from the home screen or while in any app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This action reveals the app switcher. Here, you'll see thumbnails of all the apps currently open. Find the app you want to close. To close an app, swipe up on its thumbnail. This action forces the app to close completely. Repeat these steps for any other open apps you'd like to shut down. Closing inactive apps helps reduce background activity, freeing up processing power, and extending your battery life. If you get confused, remember to swipe up to open the app switcher, locate the app, and then swipe up to close.